Today we learn about Shopify ad products, and I can add products manually. If we have our own products, how can we add them? What settings will be needed? They will be all we will see in this one lesson. So the first thing to do is go to your Shopify dashboard here. You will get the third option of the product. Click here. You will see two options. 1. Find product. Then you will see the Save Products option. You can also import your product if you have it in a sheet such as an Excel sheet or Google Sheet, already written with the product, then you can import from there. Yes, but I am also going to show you the manual method. Click on this button of your product. So here you will see a few options that we will see one by one. The first of these is the title. Here you have to write the title of your product, which will be displayed at the Up store in the front end of the page. Now whatever the product you have to write the title in a good way. This data can also be short. People can read and understand what your product actually is. So have a good title followed by your 200 to 300 word description that can explain the features and benefits of your product. Well, there will be one thing with these two things you must do. It is also necessary to have a description. Then you can upload your images to here. Then you can upload your images to videos or 3D models to your product, as well as upload the image inside your product. That is, you have seen the picture from somewhere on your website, so from there up its URL. If you can add your picture too, I will put a picture on here and just click it up. Once inside a product, here you will see the status of the product. Here you will find two options to activate and the other drop. If you place your product in a drop, they will not see any users in the front ad, and the Up store will only see you will be private for you. Assume that an inline story on a different cell channel only when it is active will appear in the second place above. Well, also here you can find the product organization option where I have made the shoes. Okay, I unselect it and see here it is the shoes option for you to understand the categories that are up when your sales channel is Google Shopping or Facebook. Other Instagram will help these sales channels, so you can select any category according to your product from this one that suits your product. Well, as here will do everything that looks at you. From here I selected my accessories first. Now you can also select from here by simple search. Then there is the product type. I tell inside the watches if the product comes in. As a support watch, I tell it the product type. I made it to the seller, so up about myself, or if you sell someone else's product. Okay, if there are over there, you can tell about the banner. Then now I can separate my product with the help of tags. For example, I put a tag or in the shoes is okay, then I put it in the tag of the support shoes from here. Next time, if I put someone else in this tag, I will be able to organize my product with it. Then this tag. If matching this search, our product will show up in surgeries of our store based on the tag. Well, then it will make it easier for people to check it out, so up here you can also put tags on here according to your product. He says there are two prices on here, price and compare and price. So that's the price you're selling at, and if you want to show people that you're selling products at a discount, you can put a bigger amount of money on here and Lord can put a smaller amount on here. If you are selling a product for up to 300 rupees, then you put 500 rupees here. Well, then we give you products with discounts or sales to people. Well, that's the option. If you want to show it, you have to write a big amount here and there. Kiesel prices, if you want to sell up below. Well, then there has to be a discount of Rs 200 show. Here you are seeing an option charge tax in 10 products. If you are creating taxes in this product, well then there may be sales tax, etc. So select it to collect sales up and collect text. Then here you have to put the item on the cows. It will just show you on the bracket. It will help you up the margin to see how much margin you have on a product. For example, we have a product page for 150 rupees, so I say, if I want a product, I get 50% margin. I'm right, so it's just for me, which means there will be a help flow for a store owner to show how much net profit he has got. Then you get the quantity option so they can tell you how many products you have worth so that you can manage the adventure ahead. If we have a warehouse at the moment, we said that we have an oilable, well then we will reduce it later. They can do more within the inventory, so we will see them in our next lesson. Next you see variance category meta fields. There you see different option, you add color, you add blue, black, bronzer, brown, more, which you have your in stock. Next option is footwear material there. You add which type of your product, leather, rubber, which you have. Next option is closure type of color, shoe features, recycled material, Chusian shoes, fit wide, Nero regular target, gender, M, ale, or female toe style, round almond cap, which you have in your stock, add it and save. Thanks watching my video, support my channel. Like, subscribe, comment on my video.